Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about how you can download songs on Spotify for free. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. So first of all, open up your Spotify application on your mobile device and make sure you're logged in. And after that, you will be able to see all of the recommended songs by Spotify in front of you. You can just add any of them to your account by adding them to your playlist. You can also just tap on search icon to search for any kind of song you want. After searching for one, just simply tap on these three dots. Just tap on add to playlist. Now add it to the existing playlist or create a playlist and name it whatever you like. Repeat the same process and add another songs to the same playlist. When you are done adding songs to your playlist, just tap on your library icon and select your newly created playlist. Now to download it, you have basically two ways. The first one is by tapping on these three dots icon and then selecting download playlist. The other one is by tapping on the download button beneath your playlist name. As you can see, for downloading songs on Spotify, you would need a paid plan on Spotify. So make sure to keep that in mind. So this is basically how you can download songs on Spotify for free. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. I'll be waiting in the next one. See you soon. Bye.